Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I have the latest box in from Fat Quarter Shop. This is the October 2024 box and I cannot wait. I hope we get something really cool. I have not looked at any of their sneak peeks, but I'm fingers crossed that it's something new and different because I'm ready for a fun and challenging project. Okay, guys, I can't wait to get into this project. I have been kind of furiously working to get things cleared through my sewing room. I still have quite a few things that are waiting to jump on the long arm, but I'm ready and excited to get into this month's box. You know, I remember at a time I really was hoping that Fat Quarter Shop would do 2 boxes a month, and I don't know if I could handle that now, but this is really yay for October. So it says Sew Sampler, Color Fall 2024. And let's see what we have. Ooh. Okay, so our gift this month is a free stitchy coaster set with a $50 purchase. And then there's also a secondary pattern here. So I will get you guys close-ups of that. So that you can see the coasters. So those would be really cute in the sewing room. It looks like a pin cushion and a sewing machine and a needle and thread, and then some cross stitch. And then there's a cool it's called Sparklets quilt pattern. That's a fun star pattern. So that'll be fun. Oh, you guys. Okay. So it looks like we got some Sherri and Chelsea. But I want to see what the other goodies are. So I'm going to go down to let's go down to the very bottom. Let's see what the very bottom is. So I don't know what that is. Okay. So we have a pattern called Splendid. It is 59.5 by 59.5. We need 3 7/8 yard for the backing. We're also going to need 2.5 yards for the inner border and background, 1 1 yard for the star points, and 1/2 yard for sashing, and another 1 1/8 for the outer border. So what we got as our fabric is the 6. Yes. So these are the Laguna Beach. This is the new fabric line that's come in from Sherri and Chelsea. And we actually got fat quarters this month, which is a lot larger than what we generally get. So it looks like I'm kind of surprised that we need all this extra fabric. 2 1/4 for the background border, 1 1/3 for the points, 1/2 yard for sashing, and then 1 1/8 for the outer border, plus another almost 4 for the backing. That's a lot of fabric, you guys. Maybe I'll combine some of those. Okay. Well, it's still super cute. It's a super cute pattern. For sure. Okay. So that's our pattern this month. Then we also got our peaceful baskets. That's a new block. I like that one. It's got to be really challenging to come up with a different basket pattern every month. Although they did a fantastic job with the pressed flowers last year, this is fun and different too. Okay, so this is Organize Your Fabric Stash with Mini Bolts. 50 packs are available for US shipping. So, okay, there's these, it's like a cardstock that you can wrap your fabric around. There's a tutorial that we can link and watch. I don't see any more info there. These are kind of heavy duty, guys. I thought they'd be cardstock. They're not. They're definitely more robust than that. It has a little V shape, so you can tuck that first end in. And I'm guessing, I'm just going to grab a fat quarter. I'm guessing that they probably, they're going to fit like a fat quarter almost exactly. So if you wanted to, you could wrap your fat quarter. Let's see what it looks like. No, we have to demo a project, right? Now, so I think this has, how many does this have? I don't think it says. I'll have to count. There are 50 packs available. So yeah, then that would kind of organize your fat quarters. So it looks like we got 6. And can you hear that? I mean, it's like one. They're pretty robust. They're pretty robust. Might also be nice to like wrap your binding around. I'm always looking for things to do that if I'm going to store it for a long time, because I like to roll it and put it on the top of my machine. But if it's going to be stored for a long time, I don't want to crinkle my binding that much. Okay. So we have the mini bolts. Let's see what it says about that, just in case I missed something. 6-pack of fat quarter mini bolts, so exactly fat quarters. The fat quarter mini bolt organizer by Paper Pieces is your new best friend. It's sturdy enough to tame your fabric chaos, yet small enough to cozy up on your bookshelf. Is a dream for fabric pieces under a yard. So we can do anything under a yard probably. Fold and tuck one end in the slot and wrap away. Get ready to fall in love with organizing your fabric on the mini bolt. You know, I keep wanting to like have more time to organize my sewing room. It kind of needs a little help right now. We kind of got a little crazy, but I can't. Okay. Okay. Sticky scissor sheath. Okay. You know what, you guys? I think this is going to go on my long arm. That's where this thing is going to go. I'm excited about that. I've been needing to find a way to hang my snips on the long arm, and I have not come up with a good solution. I'm kind of wanted to do magnets, but I'm always worried it's going to vibrate enough that they fall and then get under the needle. And so this, I think I would like a lot. So why can't I find it? There it is. Sticky Scissors Sheath by Utah 3D is your sewing sidekick. This pint-sized powerhouse keeps your thread, scissors snug and secure right on your machine. So you could, I may need another one. I think I need another one. And voila, your snips are right at your fingertips, and your snips are always at your fingertips and never in the way. Say goodbye to lost scissors. Yeah, I'm in. I like that one a lot. Values $5.48. I'm definitely going to go put that in my cart and order another one. So that's great. Okay. So we have our, what else do we have? I got disorganized here, guys. I don't usually do that. Okay. So the other thing that we got, oh, fun. It's called a fat quarter pop-up. So this is going to be like a little bag that you can set next to your sewing machine, but it compacts like the laundry baskets. So I would imagine there's like a coil of fabric or coil of, yes. So we have our kind of metal parts that are going to hold it together. There's a section of elastic. This says Sew Organized Design, and this is just for one size. And I would imagine, let's see, make a fun container that pops, especially formed wire springs back into shape every time. Contains what's wrong with me today? Contains instructions, one spring, one label, an elastic. So we have the label, which that's super cute. Anything with a camper always gets my stamp of approval. We have our elastic and we have the spring. So I think that's just going to be enough for one. And if you wanted to make more, then you would have to get another one. So we've got some patterns, some cutout information. It looks like a pretty detailed pattern. So I'm not mad at that. That's cute. Would have been fun if we had a sewy fabric to do it with. I don't think I have one right now though. Darn it, I guess I have to go buy something else. Okay. So I think that's everything in our kit this month. Let me get all this back in the bag. And then we'll take a look at all of our fabric. Okay, so we have our 6 fat quarters of Laguna Sunrise. And this is Sherri and Chelsea's newest line. And these look like pretty, I don't want to call them basics because they're not plain. They're just not the most elaborate ones in that line. Okay. Sorry, I can't do all the mess. It makes me crazy. All right, so we got this really bright orange color with the little red pinwheels. And then we have the brown flower. I feel like, did we get this? If you're curious if this is a duplicate of the Moda bundle, this is the monthly Fat Quarter Shop's Moda. And so we did already get the orange in the kit, but we did not get this one in the Fat Quarter bundle. And I don't see this little green. This almost looks like a cross stitch. This is cute. And then we also got this 3 colored flower. I know I've seen this one. I think I saw it in different colorways in that Fat Quarter group for the Fat Quarter Club. So far, only 1 repeat fabric. And I think it's probably because they were trying to make this quilt look its best, if that all makes sense. Okay. Oh, nope. I think this one was in there too. Yep. So 2 repeats out of the fabric. We had this one in the Fat Quarter Club as well. But it's super cute, you guys. Super cute. Okay, and then we got the purple. We got 3. We got 3 repeats, but that's okay. These are going to be super different projects. So I'm excited to check out this quilt pattern. So background and inner border, it looks like is pretty much a white on white in this pattern. So that, yeah, it's going to be 2 1/4 yards. That's not terrible. And then our other border is 1 1/8. So if we decided we wanted to make it a little smaller, it's 60 by 60 almost. So that would just make it a little bit smaller to not use that 1 1/8. Or I bet there's something. This has so many different colorways in it. I think there will have some flexibility in what we can match that up with. So, yay, I'm excited. This is going to be a fun one to sew out. And I still have some leftover starch because the Tula stuff came in the other day and I've got that on my starch rack right now. So I can add this to it and roll right on. If you do like any of my unboxing videos or other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time. You know what we can totally do? We can totally make the border scrappy out of some of our other fat quarters. That we can absolutely do. And I may even be able to pull some of my other background fabrics to use as a scrappy background in this one. So yay, this is going to be fun. Definitely a fun quilt. I'm excited. Hope you guys are too.